Hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abu, and for this video, I am going to help you learn how to create your own LUT filters and plug it into your Photoshop. And I'd like to mention Kennedy Mave Musanda, cause he specifically requested for this video tutorial. Okay, moving on. LUT, or lookup table, holds a set of numbers which are looked up by the software or hardware you are using in order to deliberately change the colors of an image. LUTs can be technical, creative, usually generated within software, or camera-specific. Now, to do this, you have to make sure that you have a background layer or you have this lock icon. If you don't have the lock icon, all you have to do is go to Layer, click New, and choose Background from Layer. And now you have the lock icon. Next is, we play with the adjustment layer. Click Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Curves. Click the Hand tool. To adjust the shadows, using the hand, go to the spot that you want to adjust the shadows, then click and drag to adjust. Same goes with the highlight. Go to the spot, click and drag. Now, let's move on with the blues. Adjust the shadows and highlights doing the same steps. You can play with it according to your taste. The same thing with the greens. Increase and decrease according to what you want. Next is reds. Decrease or increase shadows and highlights. And when you are satisfied with the result, you can add another curves. Click on the adjustment layer icon again and choose curves to add another curves layer. Click on the hand tool again. Now, this time, this is just to show you on what you can do. You can adjust however you want with the highlights and shadows. It's up to you. And next, is the photo filter. Click Adjustment Layer again. Choose Photo Filter. Click this drop-down arrow and choose any cooling or warming filter you want. You can decrease or increase the opacity here. Next is click the Adjustment Layer icon again and choose Vibrance. Move the Vibrance slider left to right to adjust. And move the Vibrance layer below the photo filter layer. And next is the black and white adjustment layer. Change the blend mode to luminosity, to adjust only the brightness without affecting the tones. Move the sliders left to right for the reds. And same goes with the other colors. And before we continue with our tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell as well to keep you updated with our latest content and informative videos here on YouTube. Okay, once satisfied with the result, we can go ahead and save this as a preset. Go to File. Choose Export. Then, Color Lookup Tables. Type in whatever description you like. Set the quality to medium. You can save on all of this formats. But for this tutorial, I'll choose cube. Then, hit OK. Now, you can save it with whatever file name you want. Then, click Save. Select all the layers to create a group. Press Ctrl or Command G. And turn it off. Now, click on the adjustment layer again and choose Lookup. Then, on the 3D LUT file, click the drop-down menu, choose Load 3D LUT, and click on your project. Then load. You'll see it all in here. You may increase or decrease the opacity however you want. Now look. Here is the before, and here is the after. On my next video, I am going to show you how to add this on your 3D LUT file drop-down list by default so you don't have to load it every time you want to add this LUT or filter to your photo. Please find the link on the description below. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create your own LUTs filters and plugged it into your Photoshop. Please catch me on my next videos to learn more on how to put your creative skills using Photoshop. I would like to hear from you and let me know if this works for you or you've got other way of doing this using Photoshop. Just comment down below and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.